I'm JD Haas from 101.5 FM, and I'm with Captain Mike from Tahoe Sailing Charters for this week's Living the Tahoe Life. The wind's blowing, the whitecaps are out, the sail's ready to go. Captain Mike, tell us what we're going to do today, my friend.
We're going to have a fantastic sail. We've got plenty of wind out there. We have a big boat, get everybody out on. We're going to be sailing the west shore of Lake Tahoe and hanging on for a fun time on Tahoe.
Fun time. Now, how many knots is the wind blowing today? Because it's up good.
Yeah, it's blowing about 20 to 25 knots, so good gusts, but the big boat can handle it, so let's go out and have a good time.
Right on. Let's grab some wind, throw the sail, and let's hit the lake, my friends. Living the Tahoe life.